Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to delete a YouTube channel. First of all, you need to go on a browser and type youtube.com. This is youtube.com interface. When you come to youtube.com, then click this icon. This is channel icon. Now you can both switch your channel. Like this is your personal channel and this is your another channel. So select which channel you need to delete. I need to delete this channel. So this reason I click here. Okay. Now I am come this channel and I click again on there. And now go to setting. You saw that the setting. Now click add or remove manager. Now you will find this option delete account. Now click here to delete account. Now Google will be verify that you are the authentic person to delete this channel. Now enter your password. I enter the password and click the next button. Okay, now you will see them both options. Just click yes, yes, and click delete account. Okay, now your channel will be successfully deleted. Thank you for watching this video.